Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 9th of October. And first of all, national news. PM Modi to visit Laos on October 10 to attend Asian India East Asia Summits. IMA urged Health Minister to step in to allow commencement of NEET PG counselling. Let us continue to strive towards more capable and fully self-reliant Air Force. India provided humanitarian aid to flood victims in Nepal. President Murmu conferred 70th National Film Awards. Mithun Chakravarti received Dadasaheb Phalke Award. BJP poised to form third successive government in Haryana. NC Congress moved towards majority in Jammu and Kashmir. Indian Air Force celebrated 92nd Raising Day at Tambaram Air Force Station near Chennai. President Draupadi Murmu met President of Maldives Mohammad Muizzu. Now some international news. Russia-China conducted joint navy patrol in the Pacific. Israel launched intense wave of airstrikes on 120 sites in Lebanon as Hezbollah attacked Haifa. Bangladesh Yunus said no elections before reforms. Hurricane Milton weakened to Category 4 storm expected to make landfall in Florida. Vice President Kamala Harris said no negotiation with Russia without Ukraine, discussed her gun in TV interview. Now some sports news. Table tennis. India's world number 92, Ahika Mukherjee stunned Korean world. Number 8, Shin Yubin. Italian footballer banned for 10 matches for racist abuse of world striker Wang. Business related news. Bihar performing well in basic indicators. Niti Aayog CEO and tax department formed internal committee to review IT Act invited public suggestions. As Russia seek to expand trade in rupee ruble, RBI and SEBI remain wary. India eased investor dispute arbitration norms for UAE under new investment treaty. And that's all in news. Thank you.